Duncan Rides Garage. We're working on a Pontiac G6. Buddy of mine's putting a what the hell you call that thing? A brake caliper hose on it. But all right, here we're about to get started. Snugging it up. We're done with this side. Now I'm about to go see if it pumped the brakes. Pumping them up. Pumping them up. You want me to pump them up? Pumpity pump pump. Feels okay. All right. Yeah. All right. All right. Pumping. Holding. To the floor. All right. We're pumping, pumping away. Pump, pump, pump. Oh yeah, pumping. She's about to blow. Yup. Ah. Right to the floor she goes. Getting all the air out of the lines. Feels good for the most part. Got the Monte Carlo covered up still sitting there. Gotta get back on that. Got it. All right. Pumping. Feels real good. Yep. All right. Yeah, that feels a lot better. All right. You should probably check that fluid. O'Reilly's Auto Parts. Watch the pour. Oh yeah. The O'Reilly's. Oh, O'Reilly. O'Reilly. Yeah. Oh yeah, Riley's pumping. All right. All right. Did Riley come out? Pumping. Okay. All right. We got O'Reilly .3 up there. Pumping one more time. I think that's going to be do it for us. Round the block. All right. Oh, O'Reilly. Auto Parts. Sweet. Yep. How's it feeling? I mean, let's lock it up right. All right. All right. All right. All righty. Walk back over here and check this out. You normally make a mess on the ground. That's what O'Reilly does. She's a squirter. That's how it looks when it's all done, put back together. But O'Reilly came out of there. Make it nice and somehow. We're gonna go take it on a test drive here in just a few minutes, see how it is. So let's put back together though.
Dad.
Yeah, what?
Yeah.
Oh yeah? Car got a 3.5 V6, 3500. It's actually a pretty clean car from Maryland. He only paid like $600 for it, due to the guy had this all hacked up. He had to get a wiring diagram from the dealership. Guy had a wire crossed years ago. Got the good old O'Reilly. Yeah, not a pretty clean car still. About 160 some thousand. It is what it is. Let's check the oil for him. Yep, still full. Let me put the dipstick back in the hole. Yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. 2-barrel small block Chevy intake. Yeah, he's gonna go take it around the block here in a minute. Take it for a little test drive. See what happens. See if it's still sticking or not, but it shouldn't be. Back from his test drive, everything went well. Well, this will be the end of this video for Junkin' Ride's Garage. Please come back and watch again. Please subscribe.